Ever dreamed of being as successful as notable figures in famous platforms, creating magical experiences that captivate millions worldwide? To be the mastermind behind a world of enchantment, where dreams come true and stories come to life. But let's not forget, even the magic of these famous platforms didn't just spring forth from a fairy's wand. It took vision, yes, but also meticulous planning, strategic thinking, and relentless management. Imagine orchestrating such a vast enterprise where every cog in the machine has to be in perfect harmony. The challenges? Immense. The pressure? Astronomical. But just like those at the helm of these famous platforms, you too can turn dreams into reality. With the right tools at your disposal, you can navigate the complexities of your own magical kingdom. Famous platform technologies are one such tool, designed to help you manage, strategize, and realize your aspirations. The magic you see in products from famous platforms, that's not just fantasy, it's the result of strategic planning, careful management, and the right tools. Kind of like what famous platform technologies can do for your business. Imagine Mickey Mouse, the face of famous platforms, as your business. He's charming, likable, and draws people in. Now think of Donald Duck and Goofy. They're your marketing and customer relations departments, respectively. They're essential, but sometimes they can be a handful, right? Well, imagine if there was a way to streamline their interactions, make them work in harmony, like a well-rehearsed song and dance number. That's where a notable CRM comes in. This CRM is like the magic wand that turns chaos into harmony. With this CRM, Donald, your marketing can create and execute campaigns that are as engaging and memorable as the most beloved movies from famous platforms. It enables him to reach the right audience at the right time with the right message, maximizing your business's charm, and Goofy, your customer relations, can manage relationships smoothly, ensuring that every customer feels like they're in their very own adventure from famous platforms. This CRM allows him to track customer interactions, respond to queries promptly, and keep customers satisfied and coming for more. The magic of this CRM doesn't stop there. It also provides insights and analytics, enabling you to make informed decisions and strategize effectively. It's like having your very own fairy godmother guiding you towards success. Just like how Mickey, Donald, and Goofy work together to create enchanting experiences, this CRM helps you coordinate your marketing efforts, manage customer relations, and ultimately achieve your business goals. Walt Disney once said, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them." Famous platforms are that courage, the tool that transforms dreams into reality. They are the bridge between aspirations and achievements, connecting you to a future of success. It's not just about dreaming anymore, it's about making those dreams come true. Dreaming of success and start living it with famous platforms. Your future starts with a click. Sign up for a free demo today.